Welcome back to Beyond the Diagnosis, where we explore mental health, neurodiversity, and all the tools and challenges that come with understanding our minds. I'm Katie, and today we're diving into a hot topic, ChatGPT, the AI everyone's talking about and what it can and can't do for mental health. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. I am not a therapist and neither is ChatGPT. This episode is purely informational, and if you're struggling, always reach out to a licensed professional helpline. What can ChatGPT can do? Let's talk with the positives. ChatGPT is a tool and a pretty versatile one at that. For mental health, it can help in several ways. It can provide journaling prompts or self-reflection questions which can help you explore your thoughts and feelings safely. It can give you general stress management tips like mindfulness exercises or guided breathing techniques. It can break down mental health topics or explain coping strategies in an understandable way. And it's great for brainstorming, note-taking, or even creating daily checklists that keep you organized and mindful of your well-being. The key word here is support. ChatGPT can assist you in reflecting and learning, but it is not a replacement for a real human care. What ChatGPT can't do. Now the limitations, it's really important to be aware of what AI can't do. It can't diagnose mental health conditions. Self-diagnosis with AI is risky and can be misleading. It cannot respond to a crisis situation if you're feeling unsafe with your thoughts. AI can not replace a trained professional or a helpline. It lacks empathy, personal insight, and follow-up therapy. Is a relationship. AI just doesn't have the human connection. And because it generates information based on patterns in data, it can sometimes give advice that's inaccurate or unsafe. So while it's a useful tool, it's not a substitute for the real care that humans provide. Using ChatGPT safely. So how can you use ChatGPT safely? A few tips. Use it for learning, brainstorming, and self-reflection, not diagnosis or treatment. Double check any information with reliable sources or a professional. Never use it for crisis situations. Always reach out to a helpline or licensed therapist if you need immediate support. Think of AI as a supplement to professional care, not a replacement. To wrap up, ChatGPT can be a helpful tool for exploring your thoughts, learning coping strategies, and organizing your mental health journey, but it can't replace therapy or human connection. Always combine tools with real support, and remember you're never alone in seeking help. If you're struggling or just need someone to talk to, reach out to a licensed professional, or you can call a support line such as Samaritans at 116-123. For more resources, check the notes. Thank you for listening to Beyond the Diagnosis. If you found this episode useful, subscribe and share it with someone who might benefit. And remember, understanding your mind is just the beginning. Take care of yourself and be kind to your brain.